Today, we explore a creature that defies our understanding of physics. While teleporters seem impossible, nature has found a loophole. The jellyfish can physically reverse its own life cycle. Let's start with anatomy. Unlike us, jellyfish lack a mesoderm layer to hold organs, consisting only of an outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. This simple structure makes them incredibly vulnerable but also uniquely flexible. In the lab, we see that physical damage, starvation, or even temperature shifts can trigger a reversal. When remaining a medusa is unlikely to succeed, this animal uses the process as an emergency survival route. This isn't just shrinking, it's a complete cellular transformation. Muscle cells can actually turn into nerve cells or even end germ cells or even sperm and eggs, effectively rewriting the organism's body plan in real time. For larger species like the moon jelly, swimming hydrodynamics require them to be fairly flattened. If they cannot maintain this shape due to injury or environment, they must revert to a polyp form to survive. The implications are staggering. Through asexual reproduction from these reversed forms, a single colony can spawn hundreds of genetically identical jellyfish, creating near-perfect copies without traditional sexual reproduction. So, while physics says teleportation is impossible, biology proves that reversing your own existence is real. It is a loophole in the laws of life that allows these creatures to cheat death itself. Nature often breaks the rules we think are absolute. What other animal behaviors challenge our understanding of physics? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.